Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is the first of many incoming lectures on Golang. So, I've been working with Golang for the past 1 year, and I think now it's time I started talking about it. So, I'm not an expert in Go, I'm hardly an expert in Go. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna find out a lot more things. I'm gonna learn, and hopefully, you're gonna learn with me. So, why exactly Go, right? I mean, what's the need for so many coding languages? Well, each coding languages comes up with its own set of solutions to problems, right? And what it really shines at. So, if you what the official documentation says, if you want to build something simple, secure, and scalable, go with Go, of course. And one thing that really shines in Go is the built-in concurrency. If you have systems where you have a lot of concurrent users, a lot of companies would actually go with Go. And you can actually see that over here. These are the companies that are using Go as of now, and we know all the big names are here. And Go is built by Google, so it's an open source programming language that is supported by Google. Um, yeah, and that's pretty much it. And what all does Go really offer? So if you're working with cloud and network services, if you have some CLI applications, if you have web development, if you have DevOps and site reliability related stuff, go with it. And okay, so what are we going to do now? Well, we are, of course, going to start coding it up. And this is a hands-on series, so I hope you guys follow along with me. So, okay, let's first install Go. So this is the official documentation, the official site. I'll share the link in the description. Go ahead, go to downloads. Based on whatever machine you're using, if it's Windows, Mac OS, Apple chip, Intel chip, Linux. Go ahead, download whatever latest version you have. For me, it's already set up. I'm using Apple, so I use this one. You download it, open it, click next till you end up at the finish button, and that's it. You pretty much installed Go. So, post that, open up your ID. I'm just gonna delete this. I was figuring out what I want to teach in this video, but that's okay. We can make it up back. Actually, fine. This extension, it is created by a Google team again. You can install it. So for me, it's already there, but please go ahead and install it. It's gonna help you when you're working with Go. It provides intelligence, code navigation, editing, diagnostics, and a lot of additional tools that will come in handy. Okay, so for each lecture, we're going to make a folder. So for this, it's going to be introduction. You can name it whatever you want, that's fine. Now, for every language, you have one entry point from where the code is going to execute. For Go, it's main.go. And why is it there? Oh, okay, fine. That's fine. And I'm going to open this up in the integrated terminal. Perfect. So, whenever you start working with Go, the one thing you need to know is it has something called modules and packages. So, when we make a project, we first need to initialize it. So, go mod init, this is the command. Plus, what do you want to name this module? So, I'm going to name it as introduction. It doesn't really matter what you name it as, but that's okay. So, it creates a Go mod file, and you can see the module is named as introduction, and there's a Go version. So I'm currently on 1.25. You might be on a different one. That's okay. It should not have changed unless it's a major version change. If it's something like 2.1 or something, then it might be different. But I guess the underlying concept should still be same, so it should be okay. Then you go back to main. So whenever you make file, that file is gonna be under some sort of package. So for the main file, it's simple. It's gonna be just package main. That's okay. Now package is basically just a bundle of whatever code you have or whatever functions you have within that directory. And if for example, if I just go ahead and make one more folder, I don't know, let's say hello. Now I'm gonna make a package like I wrote package main over here. I'm gonna whatever files I have in this, I'm probably gonna just name them as package hello. And now I can use that package in the main file, and it gives me the access to that basically. So that's the intent. Now, I'm going to actually come back to this later, show you how it's used. But for now, how do we, if we're learning any language, right? What's the first thing we want to do? We just want to write hello world. So it's really simple. You just go ahead, right? Func. Func is the keyword to uh, declare any function. So if we are writing the main function, we need func main. Um, and how do you print? So there's a very common library. You might have already seen it in other languages, FMT. Now, you need to import whatever libraries or packages you're using, but I'm not going to do that. Why? Because as soon as I hit enter, it's automatically going to import it for me. So that's the beauty of Go. It doesn't let you use anything additional which is not exactly getting used. So, for example, if I just delete it, what does it say? FMT important, not used. We can't do this. It's going to keep throwing an error. As soon as I save this, it's going to go away, what we need. So let's get it back. So fmt dot we need print ln. Let's do hello, now that hello world. Now there's no exact need for adding semicolons over here. Doesn't matter. Even if you do, Go is gonna remove this one honestly. So when you save it, that's it. It automatically formatted. That's my VS Code setting, and the semicolons are gone. Now, how do I run this file? Fairly simple. There's a simple command go run and the file name. I'm going to go write as main.go, and that's it. Hello world. Congratulations, you just wrote your first Go program. What else can you do with Go? So there's something called Go build. Now what it basically does is it's going to build a binary file for me, which it's the executable file. Uh, I don't really need it right now, so I'm just going to delete it. There's a command if you want to format the code, which is go dot slash triple dot. Just keep in mind it's three dots, and we didn't have anything to be formatted. That's okay. Now I was talking about packages earlier. That's why I kept the hello file, hello folder over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead make one more file hello.go, and you see it all automatically created as package hello. I'm going to make one function here. You don't need to worry about how to make functions as of now. That's completely fine. We'll talk about that later. So just bear with me for now. So it's going to take in some arguments. For example, name is the variable and it is of type string. Um, and what is it going to do? It's just going to fmt dot printf. So printf also you might already be familiar with if you have worked with C or C++, something like that before, right? So hello percent %v, that's going to insert the name over here. Hello, this is your first Go program, and add the name, and that's it. So this is done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this from over here. What's the name? I'm just going to copy this. So I actually forget it. I'll talk about that later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call hello and my name, and it doesn't go that way. No worries. Import. Uh, we are in what? Introduction and hello. Okay, great. And there you go. Now when I run the file, hello. So why this way? Because the name is hello and it is exporting a function called hello. Probably not the best variable names, but that's a variable function name. That's okay. You can ignore that for now. And if I write go run main.go, hopefully it works. And yeah, hello Chirag, this is your first Go program. Great. So this is exactly what this is going to do. So this hello function, a hello package, is going to contain all the files that are all the code that is present in this in this particular directory, and this is how I'm going to use it for the rest of the series. Again, you can skip the part about the function that's not really necessary right now. We'll talk about it when we get there. I just wanted to show you what exactly package is going to do over here. So yeah, that's pretty much all we want to cover for the first video. I think that's more than enough for now. We're going to talk about uh, variable types, the data types, how to write functions, conditional statements, loops, and how exactly do you handle concurrency, mutex, all that stuff in the upcoming videos. So hang on for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop comments on what you want to see. If you have any use cases for Go that you want me to cover or that you already have used, I mean, please share it in the comments. Thank you and see you guys later. Bye bye.